Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by gathering 2 ink pads or washable paint, smooth paper, and clean fingertips. You will position your thumbs as mirror halves to form the lobes. Practice on scrap paper until spacing feels natural. Once you have even pressure, press one thumb at a 45-degree angle, lift straight up, then repeat symmetrically with the other thumb. Make sure to rotate slightly to elongate the prints into heart lobes. If prints are faint, add a touch more ink, and now convert lobes into a joined heart by adding central details and cleanup. You will bridge the inner edges. Use a fine-tip brush or cotton swab to drag a tiny line of ink or paint between the 2 prints, connecting them at the point where they nearly meet. This softens the seam and creates a central point. Once done, press a fingertip at the bottom center to define the heart point, then use a toothpick to remove excess ink and sharpen edges where needed. Finish by adding optional decoration and sealing for longevity. You can outline the heart with a fine pen for contrast, add small fingerprints as accents around it, or lightly wash watercolor for a soft halo. Once dry, spray a light fixative or apply a clear adhesive sheet to protect the print. Allow full cure time. If smudging occurs, wait until fully dry and carefully retrace faint lines with a fine pen, or start a new impression, adjusting pressure and angle as the trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.